This video looks at surface water management at your construction site. Effective surface water drainage systems help companies to better manage their projects while avoiding fines, up to £40,000, damage to reputation, and damage to the environment. This animation will look at the causes of water pollution, water licensing, controlled activities, how to prevent water pollution, and managing water on sites. Causes of water pollution. Water pollution can come from a number of different sources, including spills or leaks of fuels, oils or chemicals, runoff containing salt, silt or soil. Water authorizations. Surface water and groundwater are protected by licensing regimes that prevent and control pollution from all activities. If you intend to carry out any activity which may affect Scotland's water environment, you may require authorisation from the Scottish Environment Protection Agency, under the Controlled Activities Regulations, also known as CAR. Activities that require authorisation include discharges into surface waters or groundwater. This includes the discharge of surface water runoff, abstraction of water, impoundments of water, i.e., where you store or dam water, and engineering or building works in or near to inland watercourses. In Scotland, there are two levels of authorisation that apply if you are discharging water runoff from construction sites to the water environment: a permit and a general binding rule, also known as a GBR. A permit will be required for construction sites that discharge water runoff to the environment, and cover an area larger than 4 hectares, or has a road or trackway longer than 5 kilometers, or includes any area of more than 1 hectare on ground with a slope of more than 25 degrees, or includes any road or track longer than 500 meters on ground with a slope of more than 25 degrees. If your site falls below the thresholds for a permit, you will be authorized under GBR 10. Before starting work on site, you must make sure you have the necessary authorizations from the relevant authorities, including SEPA, the local council, Scottish Water and Nature Scot. Implement site-specific plans to manage construction runoff and prevent water pollution. Consult the planning authority during development. Projects should be aware of existing drains and have drainage plans available. Consider the layout of the site and where certain elements are stored, for example, stockpiles, and fuel and oil stores. When planning your site and the phases of work, make sure that you include enough land, in a suitable location, to be used for managing and treating surface water runoff. Large projects may require full, temporary surface water management installations. Managing water on site. Appropriate construction site drainage systems will effectively manage surface water runoff to control and remove sediments such as silt and other pollutants during construction works. A successful construction site drainage system will include a combination of measures, including cut-off ditches and temporary sustainable drainage systems, or equivalent, with suitably sized treatment facilities such as settlement lagoon or tanks or detention basins, to ensure the effective removal of sediments. In most cases, permanent sustainable drainage systems should not be used for construction site drainage. For settlement lagoons or tanks to work, water flow must be slow enough for solids to settle. The size of the lagoon or tank must match the water volume and particle size. Smaller particles take longer to settle, so larger volumes need bigger lagoons or tanks. Further information. Further information on protecting surface waters from specific construction activities is available from the other fact sheets and animations within this series. These include silt management, cement, concrete and grout, and fuels and oils.